Okay, guys, welcome to Maya Bay. We are just pulling in right now. So, like Lila said earlier, we don't normally snorkel and kayak here, but we are today, which is super awesome. Just a couple important things though, guys. There is a rope, if you look, and it's got red flags all across it. It is very important. Please do not swim, kayak, or stand-up paddleboard past that rope, okay? The police will come and will fine you 20,000 baht if you do so. So keep your money in your pockets, okay? So you can go and kayak all around here. Please don't leave the bay, but you can also be snorkeling out there as well, where you see the boats. But again, guys, do not pass that rope. That is very, very important, okay? We are going to be here for 1 hour, guys. It's 2:30 right now. We're going to be here till 3:30. Please make sure you listen for the horn on the boat. So it's going to go, That's your 10 to 15 minute warning to get back to the boat so we can go to the next stop, okay? I'm just going to let Elita explain.
Pessoal, atenção, atenção pessoal, silêncio por favor, atenção. Então, aqui é muito importante a gente não atravessar ali a linha de limite, que é as bandeirinhas vermelhas. A multa é de 20 mil baht, a polícia ela tá sempre aqui fiscalizando, entendeu? Então vamos respeitar isso. A gente tem 1 hora aqui para aproveitar, fazer snorkel e caiaque, então desfrutem da praia, ok?